So my name is Sushil Pradhan. I am the Chief Marketing Officer for Jindal Steel and Power Limited. It's mostly focused on plates, the quench and tempered plates. There is abrasion resistant plates, the structural grade plates, which we are supplying to mining and construction equipment industry. So those are the plates primarily we are highlighting, and through our exhibits we are also telling them we are all we can further collaborate. But it's mostly focused on plates. We are also showcasing all our other products because a lot of construction and infrastructure customers are walking in this event. And since we are a large company focused on infrastructure needs, so it's a good event to showcase our other products like structurals, like sheet piles, which are unique to us. This this is the first time we are also showcasing our track shoes. Which is we are the first company in India who is producing tracks. So probably one of a very few global suppliers who are making track shoes, and we are collaborating with a lot of companies here. So this is the unique product which we are showcasing this year. Steel, as you know, is growing. The consumption is growing by around 13 to 14%, primarily fueled by the infrastructure growth in the company. And when we speak of infrastructure, the major growth has come from the road industry, the water pipeline industry, and everywhere. The type of products we have, are one of the key elements in infrastructure, right? So, so, and we believe for next decade or so, this growth will continue, and that's how we are expanding. We are investing our money. We are putting a lot of capex to grow from 9 million ton today to maybe 30 million tons by 2030. You know, so that's how we can serve the nation's needs, serve the growing need of steel. I think the government is doing their bit. Government is doing their bit, and that's how we are seeing a lot of construction happening in the country. So, so the with the strong push on infrastructure, we see that and India as a country where 65% of the country, we need to create a lot of infrastructure. So these are good times for construction and infra industry. See, when we speak of globalization, so today, uh, in last 2 years, we are seeing a lot of development where a lot of global supply chains are coming to India. You know, so it may be globalization for the world, but it's localization for us. So we are localizing a lot of global products, and we are creating a global supply chain in India. Right? Everybody is expanding. You name any construction equipment manufacturer, everybody is expanding, and so is their steel need is increasing. We are helping all these companies into developing products, steel products, which can help them in bringing a lot of their global equipments in the country, a lot of global components which they are making in India. So we are helping them. So by that way, this theme is very apt for today. We are also speaking of sustainability. Like we have an ambition to become net zero by 2035. As a company, as a large steel company, we are doing a lot of research and development on the green steel side. So, and since morning, we had a discussion with a lot of companies who are exporting big to Europe or to USA, and they want to hear from us what we are doing on the green steel side. That's how it's a good thing that we are all collaborating. We are working, they are working, and we can join hands and make India a global supply chain. Gender inclusiveness. So everybody is talking of that. You can't wish away. 50% of the population is so so we as a company are doing a lot of things to include. Steel traditionally has been a male-dominated industry, but now we are targeting at least 25% of our workforce to become female or from the other genders. So we are working on it. Our hot strip mill is coming this week. We are 5 million ton new hot strip mill is coming this week. So as of now, till now, we were mostly focused on the infrastructure side of development, infrastructure side of demand. But with hot strip mill coming in, we will also focus on the consumer side of demand. So steel has two types of demand. One is infrastructure led and another is consumption led. So now hot strip mill is primarily focused on automobile, white goods. We are also investing on color coated, galvanized lines. So those are all consumer driven. So these are the other product lines we are adding. Right now we are 9 million tons. In years time we will become 16 million tons, and by 2030 we will become 30 million tons. So by this mill we will have our product range full, like from rebars to color coated seats, everything, rails and everything will be with JSPL. So this is the second year we are participating in XCon, and since we are one of the largest player in the steel supplies to construction and mining equipment industry, the sector in which to which XCon is focused upon. So it's a very important event for us, and it's a good opportunity for us to showcase where all we can help the industry to grow, and help in localization, help in indigenizing the product, Atmanirbhar Bharat, or creating a supply chain, whichever, So that's how XCon becomes a very important event in our calendar. When we come to XCon, it's like all my customers are here, everybody is here, so it becomes a opportunity to meet all of them at one place. It's also an opportunity, to discuss with them on what are the new things which we are bringing for them. Also to the customers who are not buying, maybe they're not aware of us, creates an awareness on where all we can collaborate, where all we can help them in creating a local supply chain for their global ambitions. So that's how XCon becomes an important meeting point